Businesses are paying people to create Instagram Reels using AI tools. Some creators are turning this into online income directly from laptops. The craziest part? Most small businesses still do not know how to create good social media content consistently. This is a massive opportunity for you to learn and earn money. AI tools now help creators generate cinematic product visuals, promotional videos, captions, and social media content much faster. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. Constant attention online is extremely valuable. Every business requires it. The businesses getting attention usually attract more customers, more followers, and more sales. This is why content creation has become an important skill to succeed in business. One of the biggest reasons this opportunity is growing as most business owners are busy with other tasks. They are handling customers, managing staff, solving problems daily, and managing daily operations. Creating content regularly becomes difficult. Honestly, many business owners do not know how to edit videos at all. That is where AI tools become extremely useful. One of the easiest AI tools beginners can start with is CapCut AI. CapCut is popular because it simplifies short-form editing well. You can use CapCut AI for automatic captions, transitions, speed ramps, music syncing, and social media editing. Creating most viral reels are not complicated. They simply capture attention, quickly move fast, and keep people visually engaged longer. That is really important because people scroll very fast now. One major mistake beginners make is trying to target every business at once. It is much smarter to choose one niche first. For example, real estate or fashion brands. This is important because eventually you start understanding visual style, customer psychology, trending content, and editing patterns inside that niche. That gives you a huge advantage. Another useful AI tool is ChatGPT. Most people think ChatGPT is only for writing text. Creators use it for reel hooks, captions, content ideas, marketing strategies, and promotional scripts. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write effective hooks for restaurant promotions, create viral beauty content ideas, generate e-commerce ad concepts. This speeds up content creation dramatically. Many businesses struggle with consistency. A business cannot post once and disappear. They constantly need fresh videos, new promotions, trending content, and audience engagement. This is why social media creation continues to be in high demand. Some creators eventually turn this into recurring income, monthly editing packages, or social media management services. Recurring payments from customers create more stable income compared to one-time projects. One AI tool which is popular is Kling AI. Kling AI is prominently known for generating cinematic AI video scenes. AI tools significantly enhance workflows. Luxury product ads, e-commerce visuals, fashion videos, cinematic backgrounds, and promotional clips. A few years ago, businesses needed videographers, editing agencies, production teams, expensive cameras, and large budgets to create high-quality promotional content. Now, AI tools reduce the barrier. Another useful AI tool many creators use is Canva AI. Canva AI does simplify promotional graphics, Instagram visuals. Canva AI speeds this process up dramatically. CapCut AI, Canva AI, ChatGPT, and Kling AI use this workflow to create content for faceless channels. One of the biggest reasons this opportunity is growing so quickly is because short-form content dominates attention now. People spend hours scrolling every day. That means businesses constantly need more videos, faster content, and consistent posting. One major advantage AI tools provide is speed. AI tools help creators produce edits faster, captions faster, visuals faster, and content faster. There is a huge advantage for creators learning these workflows early. We are probably still early. Creators learning these tools early have a significant advantage over the next few years. Businesses require content every day. Subscribe to AI Income Pro for more AI tools, practical AI businesses, and online money-making opportunities.